What's going on, guys? My name is Charlie and welcome yet to another episode of how to make good, delicious and most importantly affordable coffee at home. In today's episode we are going to be talking about not quite as delicious coffee as I would love it to be, but we are going to be talking about Czech Turkish coffee. So, let's go. If by any chance you are going to find yourself in the middle of the Czech Republic at someone's home and they are going to offer you a cup of coffee, just hold on to that, just hold on right there. First you gotta ask them what kind of coffee are we talking about, because if we are talking about the traditional Czech Turkish coffee, it's goddamn awful. Just don't do that to yourself. It's awful. Just the smell of it. I have already talked about Turkish coffee. I mean Turkish coffee, I mean the original one in Ibrik. The video is right here if you are interested, check it out, it's really interesting. And I just want to cover as many techniques as possible, that's why I'm including the traditional Czech Turkish coffee style. Whatever you want to call it, it's just awful. Czech Turkish coffee is usually made out of pre-packed coffee like this one or this one. Not the beans though, it's already grinded and that makes it even more awful. Just imagine drinking 3-4 months old grinded coffee, just goddamn awful. It's like drinking socks that you've been jogging for the last 3 months. That's how awful this coffee is. But I have decided to show you how it's done, so this is how it's done. For the Turkish coffee we are going to need already pre-packed, pre-grinded coffee, 4-5 months old. The older the better, obviously, in the Czech culture. Plus your favorite cup. Probably choose not the one that's your favorite, because after this coffee you are going to throw it into the trash. And also we are going to need a kettle, so let's get everything ready and let's go. Set up the cooker, let it work. In the meanwhile, we are going to put 2 teaspoons like this into our cup, and we are going to wait for our water to be ready. Once the water starts to boil, take the boiling water and pour it right into the cup with the coffee. Everything's wrong, okay? Just you are not supposed to pour the boiling water right into the coffee. It's just everything's wrong, and everybody in the Czech Republic is doing it this way. It's goddamn awful. I would love to tell you to enjoy this coffee, but this time it's nearly impossible to do so. So if you've seen my previous video in which I was talking about an instant coffee and how it's made, you know what I like to do with these kinds of coffees. So, and if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and a comment below. You can also subscribe. I mean, it's for free. They are saying it's for free. Just try to get it. See whatever is going to happen. Thank you so much for watching, and you know what I say. Peace out.